Hello, what is your name?
My name is Sunil Dong.
Sunil, how old are you?
I am 22 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am single.
Have you been into any other countries before?
No, ma'am.
So what is your work experience in Nepal?
I have been working in one hotel for 3 years.
Which hotel?
Sunita Bakery and Burger House.
So can you please show me your cutting?
Yeah.
So what is your education level?
I have passed +2.
Are you medically fit and fine?
Yeah.
Do you drink?
No.
Smoke?
No.
Not even sometimes?
No.
So if you go to Romania, how many years will you like to stay there?
5-6 years.
There you will have to work 10 to 12 hours. Is it okay with you?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.